ఏది అయినా ట్రై చెయ్యి ఆచి చికెన్ మసాలా
ஆச்சி சிக்கன் மசாலா.
ஒரு கைத்தட்டல்கள் கொடுக்கலாம் அவருக்கு. சேஃப்டி வெரி வெரி மச். சோ தயவு செய்து இந்த கம்பத்துக்கு மேல ஏற வேலை எல்லாம் வேணாம் தம்பிகளா, ப்ளீஸ்.
தம்பி கீழே இறங்குப்பா ப்ளீஸ். கீழே இறங்குப்பா.
கீழே இறங்குப்பா ப்ளீஸ் பா.
நீ இறங்குனாதான் முத்தம் கொடுப்பேன்.
கொடுத்துருக்குமா? இறங்கு ப்ளீஸ் செல்லம், ப்ளீஸ் ப்ளீஸ். உங்களோட சேஃப்டி ரொம்ப ரொம்ப முக்கியம். we really bother about your safety, so please get out. and எல்லாரும் சேஃபா இருக்கீங்கல்ல? yeah, good to go. Can we get into the event?
తన అందంతో తన అభినయంతో తన క్లారిటీ గారికి అందరూ say a huge round of applause.
Tech University, உங்களோட பலத்த கைத்தட்டல்கள், கரகோஷங்கள், உங்களோட அன்பு. Boys and girls, here we have the one and only our very own Tamanna with us in our college campus. இது உங்களுக்காக.
హ్యాపీ డేస్ తో తన జర్నీని తెలుగు ఇండస్ట్రీలో బాహుబలితో పాన్ ఇండియా స్టార్ గా మారిన తమన్నా భాగ్య గారికి ఈ జన సముద్రం వెల్టెక్ యూనివర్సిటీ అవడి చెన్నై నుంచి a very warm welcome.
My artist Tamanna is a beauty queen. I am personally a
நான் இங்கே புருஷன் படம் ஷூட் பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தேன். ஸோ அந்த ஸ்கெடியூல் இப்போ முடிஞ்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் இங்கே வரதுக்குள்ள நாளைக்கு மறுபடியும் மும்பை போறேன். பட் யூ கைஸ் ஆர் ஃபில்லிங் மீ அப் வித் so much energy, so much love that I think I don't know how to thank you guys for it. நீங்க இங்கே இருக்கீங்கன்னா ஒவ்வொரு மோமெண்ட் நீங்க என்ஜாய் பண்ணணும். இந்த ஃபன் நீங்க அனுபவிக்கும் போது இந்த என்ஜாய்மெண்ட் நீங்க ரசிச்சு ஹாப்பியா என்ஜாய் பண்ணணும். ஏன்னா இந்த சேம் கால் மறுபடியும் வராது. ஸோ ப்ளீஸ் என்ஜாய் யோர் செல்ஸ் and lots of love to each and every one of you for loving all my work. It's been 21 years now. And 21 years you guys are loving me the same way. Thank you so much.
எப்படி 21 வருஷம் இதே மாதிரி இருக்கீங்க? ஃபர்ஸ்ட் படத்துல கல்லூரியில பார்த்த தமன்னா மாதிரி எப்படி இப்பவும் அதே மாதிரி இருக்கீங்க தமன்னா?
మీ ఏజ్ చెప్పారా మ్యామ్ ఇప్పుడు 21 ఇయర్స్ అని?
నేనేంటో మళ్ళీ కాలేజ్కి వెళ్దామని అనుకుంటున్నాను.
Ready ma'am to join this beautiful student?
Always
we are always ready.
நீங்க வந்து டியூஷன் ஃபீஸ் எல்லாம் கட்டவே வேணாங்க. நீங்க வந்தா மட்டும் போதும் அப்படின்னு தான் வந்து எல்லாரும் இருப்பாங்க.
Only one problem, underage problem ఉంటదేమో ma'am.
No, thank you so much. Thank you, guys.
But you're
One best thing that happened to me when I was very young is I chose a profession that I really love. Now, that's an interesting part. I'm sure நீங்க எல்லாரும் அந்த ஒரு டைம்ல இருக்கீங்க where you're also discovering what do you really like and what are the subjects you like or what are the things you like to do. So in the phase உங்க லைஃப்ல actually ரொம்ப ரொம்ப முக்கியமான phase. எனக்கும் அது நடந்திருக்கு when I was in school where I had a very strong feeling that I have to be a performer and cinema field la poganonu and the thought vanambodhu I really work towards it. Okay. So of course you can love what you do, but all of it is not fun, all of it is not easy.
Yeah.
But you have to find that place where you enjoy something so you don't mind suffering for it, you don't mind sacrificing for it, you don't mind having hard days for it. So I think I lucked out. I found that thing very, very early on. But you have to love it over and over again. So it's like a love affair that needs to happen again and again and again and again.
అంటే
And
మా
every few years it needs to
కాలేజ్
reignite.
పిల్లలు ప్రొఫెసర్లు చెప్తే వినట్లేదు, మీరు చెప్తే వింటారేమో అనేసి లవ్ అఫేర్ గురించి. మీలాంటి వండర్ఫుల్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ స్టూడెంట్ ఉంటే డెఫినెట్ గా అందరూ కాలేజ్ కి రెగ్యులర్ గా వస్తారు.
But love affair పనితో లవ్ అఫేర్ ఉండడం చాలా కష్టం.
పనితో లవ్ అఫేర్ ఉండాలి, స్టడీస్ తో లవ్ అఫేర్ ఉండాలి. లవ్ అఫేర్ బిట్వీన్ నో స్టడీస్, yes. But it was really nice. It was just a small fun thing that we have done, but
உங்க டிபார்ட்மெண்ட் வந்து ஜாயின் பண்ணுமா? இவ்வளவு ஆசை பாருங்க. எந்த டிபார்ட்மெண்ட் நீங்க?
Which department you want?
Which department?
என்ன டிபார்ட்மெண்ட்?
Triple E.
అందరూ ఒక డిపార్ట్మెంట్ డిసైడ్ అయ్యి చెప్తే
ఓకేపా, ఓకే. తమన్నా எல்லா డిపార్ట్మెంట్మెంట్ జాయిన్ பண்ண
I
மாட்டாங்க.
am
డైరెక్ట్ కాలేజ్ కు జాయిన్ பண்ணுவாங்க.
Aeronautical na?
aeronautical. She's always flying here and there.
That is
She
why we
wants
will
to
start
study.
a department. Come all together.
ఓకే.
Law and
Crash
engineering
course,
and
ma'am. We'll do a crash course
course.
in all little.
మ్యామ్ ఏ కోర్స్ అయినా పర్వాలేదు, వేల్టెక్ యూనివర్సిటీలో మాత్రం జాయిన్ అవ్వాలి అంతే.
அவ்வளவுதான்.
That
Well
is-
Tech University ஜாயின் பண்ணா மட்டும் போதும்.
I can be your batchmate. We're very far, no, from them.
You wanted to
Yeah, no,
stay
you
here
can
and
go
connect.
Yeah.
I have come to meet everyone.
Okay, no problem.
The ரொம்ப interesting thing, even with Happy Days and with Kalluri,
Yeah.
because they show people from different parts of society, different worlds coming together. Adada college what a best part. You get to meet different people from different places.
Parts, yeah, different states. So that's something that you were enjoying, is it?
మ్యామ్ తమన్నా గారు
Super.
Why should I talk? They can just scream. No, that
No,
can
no,
be the
no,
fun
no.
part.
They are very much interested.
தளபதி விஜய் கூட நடிச்ச அனுபவம், அவரை பத்தி ஒரு 2 வார்த்தை சொல்லணும்னு ஆசைப்படுறாங்க.
Talapati Vijay. He is such a simple person, so gentle, ரொம்ப soft பேசுவாங்க. But when he dances, baboy.
One step.
ఆయన డాన్స్ చేస్తే ఇంకా ఎవరు అంటే ఇట్ డజంట్ మ్యాటర్. జూనియర్ ఎన్టీఆర్ గారు కూడా జీనియస్.
Wow, it's so nice to hear from you. தளபதி and junior NTR சொல்லும் போது தளபதியும் 2 வார்த்தை சொல்லணுமே. நம்ம தல அஜித் sir.
அஜித் சார்.
Ah.
So in the song shoot பண்ணும்போது இவள்தானா? I finish Ajit sir first. Ajit sir. When I worked with Ajit sir. Ajit sir was so sweet. He used to make idli for me.
Wow.
In his caravan, he had a van. அங்கே சாப்பாடு பண்ணிட்டே இருப்பாங்க. அவங்களுக்கு ஃபுட் குக்கிங்னா ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும். So imagine so sweetly, I would get fresh idlis from the caravan.
Wow.
இல்ல பிரியாணி
So he's
பண்ணுவாரு
like that
கேள்விப்பட்டேன்.
perfect. Sorry.
பிரியாணி பண்ணுவார்னு கேள்விப்பட்டேன் பட் உங்களுக்காக ஸ்பெஷல் இட்லி பண்ணி
I used to get idli from, and he used to make it in the van.
Wow.
Like he was, but I feel like he's like the perfect family man, right?
Yeah.
Like he has that vibe, that softness, but very masculine, but very soft also. So that's how Ajit sir is.
Wow!